somebody who is great, but I'm gonna let him do the talking. He goes by Amaziyah. Good, great. Let's clap it one more time for Amaziyah the Great. As he gets his social media handles down. For those that just arrived, I go by the name of Host Loso. Welcome to Open Mic Poetry Night. If you want to perform, please let me know. We do have a sign-up sheet. Make sure you grab a drink. Or like I say in Haitian, grab a drink. All right, grab some fries, grab a burger. You know what I'm saying? Amaziyah, you ready?
I sure did.
All right.
Nobody's
We could
gonna
all
find me.
show some love and support for Amaziyah. Let's clap it for Amaziyah. Let's go. Clap it up, clap it up.
Blessings and respect.
Hey, where you from?
Spanish Town, Jamaica, my place. Big respect to everybody else who call me son up some sparkling and bright face. Massachusetts, me then on the right place. Justin, big up yourself. Fresco, keep moving on to progression and never let go. This one is called the Holiday Inn. I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her.
Come on, baby.
We took warm shower together. She gripped me tightly, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care. She called me God.
Yes.
But no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod.
Woo!
Damn, she was sexy. Her body impressed me. Beautiful like the ocean's wave. I was gliding like I was on a jet ski.
Yes.
Round two, see? We exited the bathroom to the bed. She opened and spread. Uttered these words and said, honey, I want you to kick me with your big Timberland boots. Knock me out till me dead. I was like, baby, calm down. Can't I be gentle instead? But before I could have done chat, it was like Mortal Kombat. She said, come here. I'm going to finish you, Craig. On top of me bouncing blissfully like a happy kangaroo. My girl, you win. That's why I honor you. You know the Twitter and her IG, but let me tell her precisely because you know how to TikTok. That's why I follow you. Thank you very much. Now this one is called the artwork. I dipped my firm paintbrush in her acrylic to get the tip wet. Slowly start to brush stroke on her canvas to paint a picture perfect. She stared in my eyes as she smiled, giving me that firm grip. I gazed back at her, penetrating her soul deeply. I knew she liked it. Of course, and I know I'm talking about artwork. Her art was crammed with elation. My artwork is priceless. She enjoys the vibration.
Yes.
I sank my paintbrush further in her acrylic again, stroking the canvas a bit harder. She commanded, artist Craig Kirkland, please go a bit faster.
Yes.
As a true artist, I grant her wish. My art is breathtaking. I confirm quick, honey. We both did the painting. We were wet and sticky with paints all over the place. But the remarkable thing about our arts, this was a masterpiece that will never be erased. The artwork. Thank you very much. I have a book out on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry. But this poem is not from the book, so check it out on Amazon. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Amaziyah the Great, aka Craig Kirkland. Check it out. This one is called Crowning. After seductively seducing her with a selection of my poetry, her desires were to get her kitty scold. Ecstasy unfold. I gave standing ovation when pretty kitty was exposed. I was told to beat it like a drummer. I banged that kitty bold. She got the niceness, the tightness, the right grip, the kitty hole. I'll make it rain, I'll make it hot. She disliked when the kitty cold. Summer blaze up the speedometer as I drove on her kitty road. And on my thoughts, if this is a cost, I'm willing to pay that kitty toll. I'm still digging her treasures as I be searching for kitty gold. She's screaming, why is she creaming? I made that kitty foam. She's attacking, she's not stopping. She deserved that kitty crown. After taking me to the 4th round in her kitty zone, I had to confess, honey, I love your kitty hole. I'm about to explode, never keep that kitty closed. I call you my queen as the kitty sitteth on my throne. Tell them precisely, big respect. You want me to done now or should I do one more?
One more.
Okay, last one. This one is called the camera lens. her mouth open wide. Oh my gosh, she cries. A penis dancing in her eyes as I reveal my extension camera lens. She yelled, "What a surprise!" What a surprise. I interjected, "It's not a surprise. You requested my photo service, hence why I arrived." Her enchanting beauty wasn't something I could avoid. In my mind, me already picturing me snapping her from multiple sides. I aimed my camera at her, lens focused closely. "Sir, please make sure images aren't blurry," was what she told me boldly. And then she strikes a pose, followed by all kinds of positions. I quickly changed my camera lens to a wide angle. She's satisfied with that decision. Stunning, sassy, sexy, seductively hot. Honestly, she astonished me, somewhat hard for me to abruptly stop. I kept clicking repeatedly, thinking about me, giving her extra snaps. Guess what? She paid me extra, giving me my props. As a professional photographer, I enjoy giving her some great shots. Justine, you see what fascinates me greatly was when she requests, "At any time, I can always come back." Tell her precisely. Big respect.
Let's clap it up one more time for Amaziyah the Greats.